Hello, good morning. Hi. Welcome to Nettie's amazing house. How you doing? Good morning. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Today, when it's getting much closer to Christmas, I'll be making some rum cake, cheesecake, cupcakes, rum cake, cheesecake, cupcakes. I had some rum cake cupcakes, so I crumbled it. So this will be going into my cheesecake mix. See that? That's rum cake. This is it. This is the cupcakes that I crushed, about 2 of them. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use this one as yet. That's why I didn't. I'm not sure if this is enough, so we'll see. So how you doing? How's the holiday treating you? I hope it's good, because you know it's 2020 and all kind of stuff is happening in 2020. So first I'll be mixing my butter with my graham crackers. So we'll be back. Okay, sweetie? Okay, baby? So this is my graham cracker. How much is this? 1/2 cup, 3/4 cups. 1/3 cup melted butter. And I'll be mixing it together. So this will be my graham cracker for the cupcake, the bottom of the cheesecake. This will be a delicious cheesecake. I hope you guys try it and let me know. Comment down below and let me know how it is for you guys. So if you're baking some Christmas rum cake, just make 2 to 3 cupcakes and put aside. Even you don't even have to use the cupcakes. You could just easily use a piece of the cake. And that's it. It's a little in each. Be using this handy dandy tool to press it down evenly in the bottom of the cups. Don't mind my nails. This is it. This is what you want to see. This is my cream cheese. 300 grams cream cheese.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas.
So that's it, guys. Time to fold in my cake. I'm gonna say it's a rum cake, cupcake.
Oh, I thought those were whipped cream. I thought that was like a topping.
Rum cake, cheesecake.
Why are you adding crumb cakes to the whipped cream?
So you see, guys, I believe it need a little bit more cake.
Yeah.
So I'll add the next cupcake.
Add a lot more cake.
I'll be adding the next cupcake. How I do it? I'm just pulling my cake apart. Don't want them to be chunky, too chunky. Now you just fold in. I'll add in about 2 tablespoons of my soaked raisin. Remember, this is Christmas. You want a little flavor and stuff to your cake.
Give it some color.
So this is my rum cake, cheesecake, cupcakes. Now into the oven, 320 degree for 15 minutes. Here are my cupcakes out the oven. So these I'll leave until tomorrow. So tomorrow you'll see the finishing touch, okay? I'm not sure if I'm gonna add any topping as yet. I'll sleep on that. So my rum cake, cheesecake cupcakes. Hi guys, so it is the next day and I'm gonna finish making some cherry toppings for my cupcakes. I'll be using frozen cherries. Yep. So let's continue. So first I had 2 tablespoons water, and I'll be adding, I'm putting together this before I put it in the saucepan because I'll be stewing this. 1 tablespoon sugar. Yeah, I'll be using this lemon juice because I do not have any fresh lemon juice. So I'll be using a teaspoon lemon juice. So don't judge me now. And a teaspoon cornstarch. So I'll mix this together. In the pot. Now I'll add 2 cups of frozen cherries. 1, 2 cups. Now I'll stew this for about a few minutes. Because this is frozen cherries, I use less water.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
With frozen cherries, you use less water. But if it was fresh cherries, you use around a 1/3 cup water to 4 cups cherries. This is my cherries. Now I'll turn my fire off and I'll add just a bit, just to flavor my cherry. A little rum, not too much. And now I'll leave this to cool. I'll set this aside.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy.
So guys, this is my rum cake cheesecake. I know I love you too. From my amazing house to yours. One love. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share. It is amazing. Try this for your Christmas. It's delicious. One love.